on my way to the Arctic Circle Assembly, joining a panel to explore the governance issues associated with climate technologies, climate interventions, aka geoengineering. And as a physical climatologist, my position is we need to focus on the source of the problem, which is too much CO2 already in the atmosphere. Yes, we need to limit emissions, but all of the climate change impacts that we're seeing, the ice melting, that is due to the CO2 that is already up there. So the name of the game, as I see it, is in addition to reducing carbon emissions, and I think that is starting to happen naturally as renewables out-market fossil fuels, and renewables don't produce oil spills and fires and explosions and wars. Renewables are a much more peaceful source of energy. I think that they will automatically move their way in despite the opposition from status quo greedy interests. But the project really is taking carbon out of the atmosphere. There are existing technologies that can achieve this. They use either a cycle of heat or a cycle of humidity, and they need to be scaled up big time in a massive way like agriculture, in a massive way like the fossil fuel industry. We have industries already that are operating at that scale. So my message is carbon drawdown, make the investments, reap the benefits, because if we don't make the investments, the impacts will make our economic system completely dysfunctional. The banks won't work on an overheated world where the people can't feed themselves and the world is ungovernable. So it's in our best interest to get busy with carbon drawdown from the atmosphere as soon as possible.